Beautiful English. Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit. Active and passive voice. Your chance to master English.
Hi, everybody. I am Teacher Vlad and the Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit course. This course is for intermediate or higher intermediate level learners who have initial knowledge about English basics but struggle with English pronunciation and speaking English fluently and correctly. The problem is that most school graduates can't speak English at all, even though they understand English and know English basics. When they try to learn English in YouTube or in TikTok, they see teachers who just show their knowledge of English but can't help you to start speaking English because to start speaking English, you should practice speaking English. It is quite easy to learn speaking at the elementary or basic level. It is easy to say something like, "I eat ice cream every day."
It's so easy!
But it isn't easy to say something like this. Ice cream will have been being eaten by me for 2 minutes before it starts melting.
Oops, it's not easy.
The ability to retain many words in memory and make long and complicated sentences needs special training that you can get only practicing speaking with our speaking training tools. And it is where Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit comes to the stage. It is very easy, but a very powerful speaking training tool that will help you to get automatic speaking skills so that you will be able to speak fluently and correctly in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. The course consists of 3 speaking training tools: Talking Lingua Card, Color Schemes, and Tenses Charts. All the speaking training tools are fully interactive so that you will be able to control the learning process and its pace. Interactive version can work only on a computer. If you practice speaking on your telephone, you can do it with our video lessons. To practice speaking English with our speaking training tools is very easy. At first, you look, listen, and repeat. Then you look, make sentences, and pronounce them by yourself. After that, you click on the pictures, listen, and check if your sentence is correct. Nothing could be easier. To learn more about Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit and about how to use our speaking training tools to practice speaking English, watch the next video. After completing the course, you will be able to distinguish and use all grammar tenses, active and passive voice, form correct English sentences in all the grammar tenses, both in active and passive voice with confidence. Retain and use complex sentences in conversation. Speak fluently and correctly in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. Whether you're looking to improve your fluency, pronunciation, or prepare for proficiency tests, this course is for you. Enroll now and start speaking English with confidence. See you at my lessons.
Your chance to master English.